po natin ang Zoom.com na nagbibigay ng napakaraming mga excellent services para sa ating mga kababayan, mga masisipag na mga bagong bayani na nagpapadala ng pera sa kanilang mga mahal sa buhay sa Pilipinas. And Zoom.com Global Money Transfer is not stopping there. In fact, kamakailan nag-launch ng panibagong service ang Zoom.com na siguradong makakatulong sa ating mga kababayan. Joining us via Skype is Pia Gutter. She is the Director of Marketing for Zoom.com from their headquarters in Northern California. Hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Hello, Janelle. Thanks for having us. At sa mga nanonood po ng Kababayan LA, kamusta po kayo?
Pia, you know, I'm always excited whenever I have you on the show because that only means another good announcement of great service, great offering from Zoom.com for our kababayans. And this time you want to talk to us about the Bank-to-Bank Ultra. What is that?
Well, first of all, Janelle, thank you for having us on the show. And we always like to announce our new offerings on your show as well dahil alam naming nanonood talaga at nakikinig ang iyong mga taga-subaybay. Well, anyway, Zoom is very happy to introduce this new Bank-to-Bank Ultra. It's really a superior level of service for people who want to send money transfers to a bank account in the Philippines. So anong ibig sabihin nitong Ultra na to, Janelle? Ultra basically means that you can send a money transfer into a bank account in less than 1 hour, and at the same time, you also get email confirmation telling you that the money is there and is already available for withdrawal. So yan ang tinatawag naming Bank-to-Bank Ultra.
Pia, just to set the tone, no, paano bang nangyayari before ng Bank-to-Bank Ultra? Hindi ba gano'n na rin naman kabilis talaga ang delivery ng Zoom.com?
It's really been fast, Janelle, except that in this instance, we've made sure that the money gets there, sometimes actually in as fast as 3 minutes. So from the time you hit the send button, within 3 minutes, the money is there, it's available for withdrawal, and you get an email in your inbox saying that it's all completed. So napabilis pa namin lalo yung proseso. So nasana yung mga customers natin in the past sending money in less than an hour. Now we actually have partner banks who can do it in seconds, in 3 minutes. That's how fast this service really is.
And what I like about this, Pia, also is the sender receives an email. So walang kaba. And you're not wondering kung nakarating na ba yung pera o hindi.
Absolutely. There is no room for uncertainty. Everything is confirmed. And once we've confirmed it, Janelle, ang ibig sabihin nun, the funds are available for immediate withdrawal in the Philippines. And if your recipient in the Philippines also has online banking, makikita na nila yung padala ninyo sa kanilang online statement.
Ang bilis talaga. Leave it to Zoom.com for creating programs like this to make it easier for our kababayans, Pia. When will this service be available?
This service, Janelle, is already available today. We actually launched it late last week. And the most important thing, Janelle, is walang extra charge to avail of Bank-to-Bank Ultra. Our pricing remains the same. If you want to avail of this service, you can still send up to $2,999 for only $4.99 and get your money there in minutes with confirmation. So ano pang hahanapin nila, Janelle?
Wonderful, Pia. Meron ba itong limit na minimum amount ng isa-send to avail of the Bank-to-Bank Ultra or any amount will do?
The Zoom.com limits are you can send a minimum of $50 and a maximum of $2,999 per transaction.
All right. Well, thank you so much. If you want more information about this, where do we go?
Well, for more information, you can just visit Zoom.com and click on the Philippines page so that you can find out what are some of the banks that are included in the Ultra service. By the way, Janelle, gusto ko lang banggitin, no? This service is available for almost all of our major banks in the Philippines, katulad ng BDO, PNB, Metrobank, at marami pang iba. So visit Zoom.com to learn more about this new superior service called Bank-to-Bank Ultra.
A credible company, Zoom.com, kaya naman maraming mga credible companies and banks din sa Pilipinas ang hindi nag-hesitate na makipartner sa Zoom.com Global Money Transfer. For now, Pia, thank you so much and more power to you.
Janelle, maraming salamat. More power to you on your show.
Yes, and thank you, Zoom.com, for your support to Kababayan LA. That was Pia Gutter, ang Director of Marketing ng Zoom.com. Ayan na po. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Avail of the service now, Bank-to-Bank Ultra. Log on to www.zoom.com for more. When we return on Kababayan LA, let us talk about the Campaign with Grace or Stand with Grace campaign. Some developments you wouldn't want to miss. Don't go away.